Have you seen this app? This is the Travel to Europe app. You've probably not heard about it because nobody has. To use this app, 72 hours before you reach your point of destination, you can link this app to the biometric chip in my passport. I can't wait to see how that works. At that point, I'll be issued with a QR code. So at my point of entry, whether it's an airport or a ferry port or Eurostar, I should be able to go to an app-only queue.
Intermission. End of intermission.
I've been through the scanning system now 6 times since October last year. I've not once had my fingerprints taken. Don't know why that is, but I've had my photos taken tons of times. Hopefully, in a couple of weeks, I should be able to demonstrate whether this system works or doesn't work. I'm really, really interested to see how this system speeds up because as we are April, the airports that I've been to, apart from Lanzarote, have been pretty clear. But I can just see places like Palma and Barcelona and Mahon and Malaga and the Canaries being absolutely full of people at half-term and trying to get through. Just to say on that, everywhere I've been, all these European airports, there have been family queues, so you won't get separated from your children. And as I understand it, children under 12 won't be asked to give fingerprints anyway. So I'll let you know what happens. This is just a bit of a filler piece between my last one, where I went through Palma Airport, and my next one, when I'm going to go through Naples Airport. To get the routes done.
Please comment, like and subscribe. It helps us a lot and it's completely free.
Captain, rented dates.